Drawings are critically important. Every aspect of your design's geometry must be accurately and clearly conveyed so that manufacturing may produce the correct parts. And you need to create your drawings fast so you can move on to your next project. So we've designed the drawing tools in Autodesk Inventor specifically to help you create accurate drawings fast. Let's start by placing the required views of our design. The base view of your 3D model can be positioned, scaled and orientated using the view cube and view grips. Once placed, you can add projected views straight away just by clicking your cursor, and then optionally define your custom display settings. The marking menu is also available in the drawing environment, providing fast access to common commands such as placing auxiliary and section views. Once a base view is placed, you can define detail views, or you can define a breakout view using sketch curves to show only the areas of the part that are needed for dimensioning. Dimensions can be added manually, or you can save some time by retrieving the dimensions already created when modelling your design, selecting only those dimensions that manufacturing need to make the part. Parametric dimensions can even be modified directly from the drawing environment, driving a change in the reference 3D model. When documenting your assemblies, Inventor helps speed up the creation of your parts list and balloon numbering. You can insert an exploded view of your design into the drawing and place a parts list that is automatically generated from your assembly. From there, the Auto Balloon tool numbers and places your balloon annotations with several options for placing them just where you want them. As the drawing is saved, you'll notice it's a native DWG file. This means there is no need to convert this file to open it in AutoCAD. No risk of translation errors, and the drawing can be worked on in both Inventor and AutoCAD. On opening the drawing in AutoCAD, we can inspect and add to the drawing, for example, taking a measurement, adding or removing dimensions, or adding a comment that will be carried back into Inventor the next time the drawing is opened. And if you're more comfortable inside a traditional 2D environment, you also have the option to create drawings of Inventor models directly inside AutoCAD, while still maintaining the associative link to the 3D model. So you can use your familiar tools and commands to create fully detailed drawings, knowing they'll always be coordinated and up to date. Regardless of whether you choose Inventor or AutoCAD to document your products, you have the tools you need to quickly create detailed drawings for manufacturing that will always be accurate and in sync with your 3D designs.